Assalamu alaikum and good day students. This is lecture number 1 of class 10 computer science students. Today you are going to learn computer programming, about computer program, syntax, semantic and programming languages. So the first topic is about computer programming. What is computer programming? Basically, it is a process of writing a computer program in computer language to solve a particular problem. The computer programs are written by human individuals and that human are known as programmers. So the next topic is computer program. Computer program is a set of instructions written in a programming language to solve a particular problem. Any task performed by a computer is controlled by a set of instructions that are executed by CPU. Each statement of the programming language has its own syntax. So what is syntax? Syntax refers to the rules of a programming language according to which statement of the programs are to be written. It describes the way to write the correct statement in a program. For example, variable equal to expression and terminator. This is an example of assignment statement that consists of variable and expression separated by equal sign as an assignment operator. This is a syntax of assignment statement. Semantic. Semantic gives meaning to statements of the programming language. It describes the sequence of operations to be performed by a computer when executing the statement of computer program. For example, in the assignment statement, sum equal to a plus b and terminator, the semantic of the statement is to add the values stored in the variable a and b and then store the results in the variable sum. Programming languages. Why do we need programming language? Basically, it is a language which is understood by computer and it is designed to give instructions to the computer to perform specific tasks. It is also used to write the computer programs. That is all for today, students. This is your home task. You have to write the answers of these questions on your neat notebooks. First one is, what is computer programming? Next one is, define computer program. Next one is, write the difference between syntax and semantic. And the last one is, why do we need programming languages?